It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.
Hello and welcome back to the Great Taylor C. Baker Show, where I am baking my way through the Great British Bake Off technical challenges in hopes to live up to my namesake and become a better baker. And I have baked my way through one season of the show, halfway through the second season of the show. Click here to see all of the bakes from season 1. And be sure to hit subscribe so you can see all my most recent bakes from the most recent season of GBBO. And from baking all of these things, I have learned quite a bit in the process. So I wanted to give you Taylor's 2-minute hot tips and key takeaways for totally awesome treats. And this may seem like a pretty simple one, but this is just a personal experience PSA to always double check that the items that you are using in the kitchen are in fact oven and or microwave safe. Before we dive into the examples from my recent episodes, I wanted to share a personal story where I recently rocked an Anna Faris and nearly burnt my house down because I put something in the microwave that I shouldn't have. Comment below if you know what movie that is referencing. Specifically in my case, I put a pot lid over a bowl of soup while I was trying to warm it up because my husband, bless him, is always on me because I don't cover things and it splatters all over the microwave. So I used a pot lid. I was like, pot lids can get really hot. Well, the handle of that pot lid is plastic. So it made our entire house smell like a burning chemical fire for about 2 days. The pot lid, while a little damaged in the process, is still usable. So let's see other recent experiences where I have learned this valuable information.
So something I foresee being very interesting is trying to get these off, which parchment paper may come in handy.
Oh no! The paper is stuck to it!
My Florentine stuck to the paper. I did this. I'm so sorry, Mary. Take 2. All right, now I'm gonna ferociously butter this, and hopefully this next batch will not stick. I'm just gonna double oil. Use butter and just a hint of the oil we call olive. Look how greasy these trays are. So I've made a thrilling discovery. I accidentally used wax paper instead of parchment paper, and it basically melted onto my cookies, which is why it won't come off.
You only want to put parchment paper into the oven because it is oven safe and wax paper is not. The only purpose I have found so far for wax paper is if you are making chocolate designs and you want to melt some chocolate onto wax paper, make some pretty designs like I do in my tiramisu episode. I make little TCB decorations for the top of tiramisu.
So those are things that I made with chocolate and made a real mess with the chocolate.
Thank you so much for watching the Great Taylor C. Baker Show. Be sure to hit subscribe and follow along with all of my baking misadventures. And I invite you to bake along with me. If you bake any of the recipes from my show or the Great British Bake Off, please tag me at Taylor C. Baker on all the socials and use the hashtag BakeWithBaker. BakeWithBaker. So I can follow along with all of your magic in the kitchen. Cheers!
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.